Who needs a box when you have an envelope to open? What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here. Tape! They put tape on it! Ah, my arch nemesis. On the PEZbook channel, do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. More. Really? Ah. Yeah, they taped that too. Oh well. I hate tape. Oh, I hate tape. All right. So, the Boy Scouts had a Scout Jamboree, and out of Connecticut, where is home to PEZ USA, these were offered. Kind of cool. Little patch for the Boy Scouts to put on their uniform. Very cool, very cool. I ordered this set because I saw that they were available, and I wanted to see the quality of the patch and things like that, and share them with you that there is, now correct me if I'm wrong, and I'm sure you will, there's at least 8 of these, if not more. I'm going to see if I can find a whole collection to do a better video later on these. But I do want you to know that these do exist, and they are really cool. Pretty good fabric. But they were used for the Scout Jamboree. You can learn more from somebody that knows something about the Boy Scouts. I myself, I was a Scout father for 1 year. And then we went on to baseball. Baseball seemed to be a little bit more entertaining and interesting to my son. So we left and went to baseball. But these are really cool. Baseball never handed out any patches or any jerseys for a special PEZ game. Oh, a PEZ baseball game? Wait a minute. I may be onto something here. I could be onto something here, but I'm probably not. But I do have these patches, and I'm glad I was able to share them with you. So until next time...